Hello, this is Blaine again, and I'm going to present my third lab. Question number one. So, um, create a new table containing the category code and describe for the categories of books sold by Just Lee's Books. The table should be called category, and the column should be cat card and cat desk. The cat code column should store a maximum of two characters, and the cat desk column should store a maximum of 10 characters. So the prompt that we're going to create with this one, we're going to say create table category. I am using my name just so it's going to be different. It's going to be different. I know which one to screenshot. So we're going to create a table. So we're going to say create a table category, and then we're gonna do the cat we're gonna create the columns cat card. We're gonna put them in a bracket with character, two character, and then the cat desk with varchar to 10 characters. We're gonna create a put it in a quotation mark in brackets and semicolon. So when we run the prompt, it's gonna give us here. We have the table name is category, and then the two columns are there with their specifications. Number two, create a new table containing these four columns: emp, number, last name, first name, and job class. The title name should be employees. The job class column should be able to store character strings up to a maximum length of 4, but the column value shouldn't be padded if the value has less than 4 characters. The nth column contains a number ID and should allow a 5-digit number. Use a column size you consider suitable for the first and last name columns. Okay, so create a table employee. The nth number column is going to be numerical and it's going to have 5. The last name is going to be varchar 2, 10. I just felt 20 is good. First name varchar 2, 20 characters. Job class varchar 2, 4 characters. Put them in bracket, semicolon. So when we run it, that table is going to be like this with the the table name, employee, and the columns here and the specification as we see them. Number 3, add 2 columns to employees table. One column named emp date contain the date of the employee for each employee, and default value should be the system date. The second column named end date contains an employee's date of termination. So we're gonna alter the table. We created a table on the question number 1 and 2, and then we're gonna alter them now. So we're gonna say alter table employee. We're gonna add emp date, default system update, and then end date, the date that the person stopped working. So when I did the screenshot for this one, I think I did it right after I deleted the column. So this is what I have. I'm sorry, but I did create that table and had the employment end date there. So number 4, modify the job class column of the employee table so that it will allow storing a maximum width of 2 characters. So we're gonna alter the job class. I don't know what it was here. The job class had 4 at the top, and then we're gonna modify it to make it 2. So we're gonna say alter table employee, modify job class varchar 2 to have 2 characters. So we did that, and it's showing it right here with 2 characters. Okay, number 5. Delete the end date column from the employees table. Delete in and date column. So to do that, we're gonna alter the table employee, drop column and date. So when we drop it, it's not there. Number 6, rename the employees table as JL underscore EMPS. So to do that, we're just gonna say rename employees to JL EMPS semicolon. When we run it, it's this, the table is gonna be like this, and that's the name of the table right here. Number 7, create a new table containing these 4 columns from the existing books table. ISBN, cost, retail, and category. The names of the ISBN column should be ID, and the other columns should keep their original names. Name the new table book pricing. Okay, so we're gonna create a table, but we're gonna take information from the previous table. Create table book underscore pricing as select ISBN as ID, cost, retail, category from box, semicolon. So when we run it, that table is going to be here, book pricing with these columns right there. Number 8, mark the category column of the book pricing table as unused. So we're going to mark the category column as unused. To do that, we're going to say column is no longer available. Okay, alter table book underscore pricing, set unused category, semicolon. So when we run that alter the table, we're going to alter the table and set unused for the category column. So to verify it, when I describe the table, said describe book underscore pricing, this is what it came, and the category column is no more there. Number 9, truncate the book underscore pricing table and then verify that the table still exists but not longer contains any data. Okay, so when we do truncate, we're just gonna wipe up the data, I think, and just keep the table. So truncate table book underscore pricing semicolon. When you run that prompt, it's gonna wipe all the information there. So when I try to verify it, I did select the asterisk from book pricing semicolon to find out what it has, and no data was found in it. Number 10, delete the book pricing table permanently so that it's not moved to the recycling bin. And the other question is delete the JL underscore EMS table so that it can be restored. Restore the JL underscore EMS table and verify that it's available again. Okay, so to permanently